Make sure that each column cable is properly connected to the control box. If the ground is uneven, individually adjust the column heights to ensure the tops of the columns are level or on the same inclined plane. Once the solar carport installation is finished, simply press the max button on the control box display to raise it to the full height of 8 feet 2 inches 2.5 meters. On the control box interface, press the MIN button to lower the structure to its minimum height of 4 feet 11 inches, 1.5 meters. If you need to stop at an intermediate height, press MID button to adjust the height to 6 foot 1 inch, 1.85 meters. With a single press, this height is customizable. If you need to stop at any height within the lifting range, press and hold either the up or down button until the desired height is reached, then release the button. Zoomland can also provide waterproof brackets designed for use with the lifting system, ensuring optimal installation and waterproofing performance. The Zoomland lift control system can independently adjust and synchronously control up to 12 lifting columns, allowing designers to flexibly configure lifting systems in various shapes to suit project site requirements, such as rectangular, L-shaped, or U-shaped configurations.